This is my project. I hope you like it. My name is Gabriel McCoy, and I'm going to be telling you all about triangles. Number 1, tree means 3 sides. And then my picture. Number 2, an angle is a space between 2 intersecting lines. Number 3, an obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Number 4, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Number 5, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Number 6, parallel lines do not meet, perpendicular lines do meet. And then number 7, an equilateral triangle is where all 3 sides are equal. And number 8, an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. Number 9, a scalene triangle is where all 3 sides have different lengths. Number 10, the triangle angle markings. Then number 11, here are the triangle line markings. I'm done. And this is my project for math.